Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat camera quality iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your iPhone settings, then in this interface you need to scroll down and find Snapchat application here, and then click on that. After that, in this list of options, you need to make sure you enabled microphone, camera, and background app refresh. So after that, you need to go back to your home page and then go to your App Store application. And then in the search bar, you need to type Snapchat. After that, you need to click on this application and then download the latest version of this application. So after downloading the latest version, you need to go back and open your Snapchat application. And then, as you can see in this interface, at the bottom left corner, you can click on the gallery icon. And then in this interface, you will see all your gallery photos and videos. So if you want to have the best quality of your snaps, you need to go to your main camera and then click on the video in the bottom of the screen. After that, at the top right corner, click on the quality to make it 4K and 60 FPS, for example, and then record any video you want. So after that, you need to go back to your Snapchat application, then click on the camera roll in this list of options, and then choose this video. So after that, this video will have the best quality as it possible. So, and that's all. That's how to fix Snapchat camera quality on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.